Hello everyone, this is Christian Camilo talking. I am going to talk to you about the Tax 3 Write a Storybook. Let's start. Introducing myself. My full name is Christian Camilo Lozano Aguirre. I'm 30 years old. I work as a teacher in my hometown Pradera. I like to think that I'm a normal person who enjoy to talk with my friends and smile for any good joke. I enjoy to play video games and role games. I don't like to travel long distances. I love to read books. I'm reading the Game of Thrones collection right now, but what I love the most is to watch sci-fi series. My favorite celebration is my birthday. In my birthday is on July the 5th. I'm always surrounded by my family. For my birthday, I like to wear as a normal day, even if I'm on my day work. I'm always eating cake and pasta. I really love pasta. One of my favorite things on my birthday is that I can spend time with my whole family. Sometimes we travel to some restaurant to eat pizza, lasagna, or any other food made with pasta. And these are the reasons why I love my birthday. Household chores. I clean my bedroom every 2 weekends. I always clean first the dust all over my furniture and my computer. Then I sweep and move the floor. I always wash my bathroom, sometimes I change the position of my furniture, and I always clean my bed. Then I do laundry, and when I finish all my household chores, I do my pending work. My hobbies. When I have enough time, I like to read or watch series on Netflix. I am reading the Game of Thrones series at the moment, but sometimes I read some of Carolina Durhar's books. I love to watch sci-fi series and hero series. At the moment, I am watching Teen Titans and Castlevania. But I do all this only on my free time because I work from Monday to Saturday and I almost work in the morning and part of the afternoon. At 7 a.m., I'm always in the middle of an English class in the school, and at 7 p.m., I'm often working on my computer. Well, according to the local weather, well, we don't have really the 4 seasons here in Colombia, so we were uh, we are always wearing our clothes about the weather. Sometimes it's cold, so we have to wear a coat or a sweater. But I live in Praderas and in the Valle del Cauca, so all the time it's hot. We wear shirts and jeans at work, and on our free time we wear any light clothing. Some people wear shorts every day, even when the weather is so cold. I don't understand that, but that's what we wear according to the weather. Well, that's all for now. Thank you for watching my storybook. I hope you can enjoy everything that I told you about me. So have a nice weekend. Bye bye.